So there you have it, folks. The Suburban is done. Buzz warning. Take the pocket brake off. There it is. Everything put back together. Everything back together. About to go for a test drive. Looking for codes. Everything is good. All those codes, I'm not too worried about them here. The body control module, they're all passing fail. I had the battery unplugged and all the connector here were unplugged. Fuse box was out. The battery was out, so I'm not too worried about them. I'm just going to clear them and go for a test drive. All right.